Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is an episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we are exploring a little home improvement with Xiaomi's cordless electric screwdriver. And as once they said in the 90s, when you want to do home improvement, it's here on Knoles Cool Stuff. Alright, so today we are exploring Xiaomi's cordless electric screwdriver. And like most people, you need some kind of tools around the house occasionally in order to screw things together and so forth. And so we're going to take a quick look at this screwdriver and see, is it worth your money? And should you really trust an electronic company for your screwdrivers? Let's find out and do a quick unboxing. Alright guys, so here is the box for the Xiaomi cordless electric screwdriver. As you can tell right now from the front of the box, it looks more like a drill. At first I thought it was a drill when I first saw it. But it is an electric screwdriver. I kind of like this thing. It makes it easier to hunt and then just straight flat away. So let's do the unboxing and take a quick look at it. Alright, pull it out. Alright, so first we are greeted with the user manual, which is all in Chinese, so I don't read it. Toss it to the side. Alright, so let's unzip this and see what is inside. Now first, this is a nice case, okay? It's small, it's compact, it can carry your stuff, so very easy to carry around. I like that. We open it, here we go. We have our screwdriver. As you tell, at first it looks like a drill. And you press down it, it does show a light. So if you get into those dark cabinets underneath the sink or something, you still have a light and know where to screw. Alright, so basically, let's see, if we turn it this way, this is to screw it in. Alright, remember, righty-tighty, lefty, loosey. Alright. In the middle, it's just where you turn on the light. So right now, this is pretty nice, so that's what we have. Alright, so let's take a look in here. So this is a little carrying case. Alright, and as you can tell, you have 12 bits, steel bits. These are all made from steel. So 12 steel bits, and then you have your extender right here. Alright, and we can take a closer look. As you can see, it has pretty much everything you need for a screwdriver. You got your flatheads, you got your cross, your hexagons, your torques. Alright, everything you need. Alright. Alright, put that to the side. And at the bottom, right here, very simple, we have our charging cord. Take that out. It is USB-A to Type-C. Alright, so very nice. So you have your drill, your cord, and your bit. So let's talk about what are you getting. Alright, so let's talk about the specs. The weight is 350 grams. Rated voltage is 3.6 voltage. You have 12 steel bits. They come in hexagon, cross, torques, flathead, screw bits. You have 3 LED light illumination, the screwing area, so that's that. Alright. It's rated as 5 Nm torque. The body, even though we feel the body, you think it's made from like steel or something, the body is actually made from plastic. It has a rechargeable battery. It is rated to last for 180 screws on a full charge. 180 screws. I know since I've had it, I've never recharged it yet. But with 180 screws, you might need an STT test. Little joke. Ha 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 ha. Alright, and the cost will cost between $42 and $47. Alright, so that is our Xiaomi electric screwdriver. Very simple. Nothing fancy about it. It just gets the job done. Alright, so that was the quick unboxing of the Xiaomi cordless electric screwdriver and the quick look of the specs. I like it. I like it this way instead of the straightaway way. It feels more comfortable in your hand, even though it looks like a drill. Oh, don't drill me! Or the dentist, but it's very light and compact. It gives you every possible bits that you need to screw something in, especially if you have toys that have the back of the screws, if you have the chairs with the little hexagon things that you got to screw in, you won't have to look for that type of bit or get a whole bunch of other screwdrivers with that type of bit, okay? Yeah. Do it yourself. Don't hire somebody to do your home improvements. Like Tim Allen used to say in the 90s on Home Improvement, do it yourself. Alright, so if you like this video, hit that like button. Hit that bell for notification for when I drop new videos. And hit that subscribe button to be part of No School Stuff family. Who knew that Xiaomi also sells home improvement gear? Alright? All the electronic bits and bubbles of your home improvement. Until next time, my followers, as always, be cool and do it yourself.